Ready to unlock the world of effortless spending with your new Revolut card? Welcome to your ultimate guide on how to use your Revolut card for the first time. Before you do anything, locate your physical Revolut card. See it? Great. Now, let's get started. First, you need to activate the card inside of the Revolut app. Tap on the card icon, find the option to activate the card. You will be prompted to enter the last 4 digits. Now, let's explore how to use your card in the real world and when shopping online, beginning with making in-person payments. When you're at a physical store, you have a couple of options. You can either insert your card into the payment terminal, swipe it if the terminal has that ability, or, even better, use contactless payments. Make sure the terminal accepts contactless payment. If it does, simply tap your card on the terminal, and a beep or a prompt on the screen confirms the transaction. For larger purchases, the terminal might require you to enter your PIN, so keep that handy. Okay, let's go through your online transaction. Buying things online is equally straightforward. When you get to the checkout page of a website, you'll need to enter your 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code, which is a 3-digit number on the back of your card. Then you are ready to go. Just double-check that the address is correct and tap on Confirm to pay. Remember, you can view your transaction history, freeze and unfreeze your card, and set spending limits, all from within the Revolut app. It also has security features in the event that your card is stolen or you misplace it. So, that's it. Now you are ready to start spending. Just remember these simple steps and enjoy a seamless, secure, and trouble-free experience with your new Revolut card.